Convention and Tourism Committee. As well as 98.3 retired Kennedy. On September 3rd, Rivers began driving cattle to the south of the Kansas border in preparation of the Kansas 150th anniversary cattle drive celebration. The cows will follow the old Cox Cattle Trail, originally grazed in 1873, to the Kansas Pacific Railhead in Ellsworth. Modern cowboys will trail the cows, cowboy route used by the original drovers, bed down the cattle on historic grounds, and camp at the very same cow camps made the cowboys did a century ago. We're excited to welcome the Rivers and our guests to Kingman today. We've got guest drovers along the trail from Arizona, California, Arkansas City, Elmwood, and North Kansas. The last that are mounted.
Sorry, it was just one everywhere and it's all here.
Stop. The Kansas National Guard Adjutant General is mounted. Guard Head was established in the summer of 2004 and is made up of some volunteer members, full-time and traditional officers, enlisted and retired members of the Kansas Army and Air National Guard. It is the mission of the Adjutant General's Mounted Colored Guard and Cavalry Troop to demonstrate the horse soldier heritage and traditions of the Kansas National Guard. The proud tradition of the 18th Kansas Volunteer Cavalry is carried on today by these men and women. The troop participates in military and civic events that enhance recruiting, retention, and good operations by demonstrating the history and pageantry of the mounted Kansas National Guard. We'd like to ask that everybody that's physically able to stand, remove your hats, and as the cattle come, we're going to ask Pastor Troy Carter to offer our national anthem.
Street and the rockets rock along, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say